what's up, broskies? Philly here with another video, and today we got a special video going on. Our friends over at ADD-W1 sent us a special package, and we're gonna open it up and see what's up.
What you got, bro?
Let's see what we got. I like opening new stuff, bro.
Smell of boxes.
What do we have here? Got some hoses. Wow, bro, check it out. It's a cash can. Pretty sick, no? What do you think? What else we got? Trash. Our good friends at ADD-W1 sent us a cash can for our DE engine right here, and we're gonna install it for you guys. We're gonna use my trailer to lay all our parts right here. Alright guys, so we have our instructions right here. Catch can. We got this cool little dipstick right here so we can check our oil when it fills up, and then if it gets too full, there's a drain you put it on right here. You release it, you open it, and basically empty it out. We have our bracket. It's gonna go something like this. So we'll show you right now on the car. We got our new clamps right here, the nipples for the hoses, new hose, and that's pretty much it. And some sick ass stickers. So
let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started on the car, and then we'll show you how it's installed. All right, so we're gonna install these O-rings. We got two, and they go right here somewhere. Oh, they go in your nipples, not these nipples. These nipples. Put your O-rings right here. Bam. And then bam. Yeah, I would recommend using Teflon, but for Derek's car, salivazo. Tastes pretty good, bro.
Yeah?
Don't try this at home.
Cherry flavored?
I'm not gonna tighten these up yet. Let's use our bracket and install it, and then we'll tighten up everything. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna loosen up these two bolts right here that hold the power steering reservoir. Let's take them off real quick. Oh, our instructions. Our instructions are flying away, bro. No. And then, guys, you guys are gonna get your bracket. See it? And then it's gonna go right there. So you get your bolts. There goes one. And then number two. Vámonos. I like simple install videos, bro.
Yeah, it's easy.
It makes me feel better, you know, inside that.
I'm good at what I do.
I'm good at what I do, bro. I'm good. I'm so good, you know.
I'm so good at fucking with cars when it's bolt on.
So yeah, there it goes. I'm gonna tighten them up. I'm wrenching, bro. I'm wrenching.
Hey, do you think it's gonna clear my hood?
Yeah. It should, fool.
It should clear the hood.
We're gonna have to turn it this way, just so we can get clearance for the catch can. But that's it. Good. And then now we tighten it up, and we should be good. Just like that. Pretty simple, no? Cool. And the other way. Yeah, we're good. Chingon. So now, next step is putting our hoses on. Nice.
Are they tight enough, bro?
Nice and tight. I like it. So now we're gonna remove the intake line or vacuum hose This is your intake, and then this is your PVC right here. So they run together, so you just got to remove this hose, and then we're gonna run our new lines. I'll show you guys right now. So start off by removing that old crusty ass clamp, and then this AutoZone or 99-cent store clamp. They are gonna be replaced by some legit ones, bro, so don't worry. Alright, I think it should be good. Watch your knuckles. Watch your knuckles. Old crusty. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Trash, bro. Basura. Oh. All right, let's get our new line. Wow. This should be enough. Alright, so we're gonna grab our 4 clamps. No, we need 4. Alright, broski, so we have our line on our PCV valve, and then we're gonna cut it right here. What do you think, bro?
We need some clamps, bro.
Oh yeah, we need some clamps. But let me cut it first. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Cut it, 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 cut it.
Let me just replace it, bro. Safety first. Safety first. Oh, by the way, the homie Chris is here.
I'm not here today, guys. Sorry.
The secret.
Don't tell my wife.
He's busy right now.
He's supposed to be at work, huh?
I guess, what does a cash can do?
You're gonna have to watch the video, bro. We explained it on the video.
We already went through this.
We already went through this once, and I was having a hard time trying to explain it to Derek.
Maybe we should try again.
Do you know it?
I don't know it.
You don't know what a cash can does?
No. I think it catches oil, but I don't know.
That's what I said.
That's why. Well, there's on your valve covers you have those PCV valves, right?
Yeah.
And those go into your intake.
Yeah.
And it basically recirculates into your intake, but there's air and some oil. There's air and some oil going in your intake way. So when you have a cash can, you run it from the PVC to the cash can, and then it's basically like a filter. It catches the oil, and then you get like clean air going into your intake. Because you want clean air on your intake.
Yeah. So do you have to like clean it out or empty
Yeah,
it out?
because eventually it's gonna fill up.
How long did you take?
Depends how you drive it away. Well, I would check it from 500 to 1,000 miles away.
I would check it every time I go to the track.
Yeah, anytime, bro. Anytime you get a chance.
Oh, and that's all my bill bud?
Like this, right? Intake to inlet. Outlet.
And that's it for the install. Yeehaw!
No, we still got a couple more things we gotta do it. Just wait, bro. Patience, my son.
Here, but let me put the last 2 clamps on so I can say I did something. Alright, here, record me.
I'm gonna have to switch the other one.
Alright.
So you can just get it better. What's up, bro?
What up, bro?
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. What do you think, bro?
It's good, dog.
Pretty good, huh?
You want to now?
Alright, there you go. We have everything secure. Our hoses are secure. Last but not least, we're gonna install this hose holder. Check it out. We replaced our old regular clamps, and we're gonna use our aluminum hose clamp. Check it out. Check out this picture. Before and after. Pretty cool, huh? There you go. That's how you know it's legit, bro.
Stick it anywhere, huh?
Stick it anywhere, bro. But yeah, broskis, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Thank you again to ADD-W1 for sending us this beautiful product. Thank you. All right, broskis. Peace out, and I'll see you guys next time.